Hi Suresh. So let me refresh the page and I'll run through the features of the slider revolutions. So number one, well, there's a preloader and the image basically comes in instantly. You just saw it come in. I think with yours it kind of, I don't know, where's yours again? Yeah. I'll just clear my image cache perhaps. Okay, refresh. Okay, this grey and blurring, I'd rather it preload with, or potentially a preloader, and then just come in instantly. Secondly, I've got some drop shadows behind here. You need to find out the exact CSS of these drop shadows, the exact CSS of the sizing of the text, the breakpoints for where it changes. Oops, sorry. Grab that. So all of these things have been worked on. What else? So yeah, that's probably it for the top slider. Now, I think you're suggesting that we remove slider revolution altogether. Now, for that to happen, for these, so I don't know how you're going to distinguish between the two, because this one at the top, well, it's one type of slider revolution, and then these ones, well, they do behave differently. So this one, you can see that it's got a blurring in effect and a blurring out effect, which happens at the center of towards the center of the screen. So that effect is quite important, and I don't know even if you're going to be able to replicate that. I don't know. So I suppose it's all CSS ultimately. So that's another thing to consider. And yeah, you may be right. Slider revolution, it's got a lot of bloat in it because it's meant to do everything. The essential grids aren't even loaded at the moment. I think you've got them turned off, but the essential grids, they do a lot more, and I'd probably keep the essential grids. But slider revolution, maybe we can do without it and get it to load faster. So anyway, I'll finish this video and we can have a discussion about it. Okay, thanks, Suresh.